Welcome back, students. As we have discussed and understood about the rules of reflection from a concave mirror, or you can say the rules of image formation after reflection from a concave mirror. So now we will go through the formation of image after reflection from concave mirror. For understanding that, we have to understand first of all the type of image formed by concave mirror depends upon the position of object in front of the mirror. It means if the position of object is changing, the image formation will be changing also. So what are the different positions of object in front of the concave mirror? The different positions of object can be specifically on these six. First, between the pole and the focus. Second, at the focus. Third, between focus and the center of curvature of concave mirror. Fourth, at the center of curvature of concave mirror. Fifth, beyond the center of curvature of concave mirror. And last, the sixth, at infinity. So these six positions of object can be there, according to which we have to analyze about the formation of image. These six positions can be explained by this basic diagram. Here you can see this concave mirror with principal axis again, center of curvature C, focus F, and pole P. We are going to denote our object with the help of an arrow. This is our object, and we are going to analyze that where the image is being formed, how the image is being formed. So this position, if this position is changing, this image formation will also change. How it is going to change? This position of object is going to change like this somehow. We will see that the object was first of all in between the pole and focus. Then we moved to the left side, it reached to the focus. Then we moved further left, it reached to focus in between the focus and center of curvature. Then it reached to the center of curvature. Then it reached to beyond center of curvature. And if it moved further, it went to infinity. So we are moving in the same way. Six different positions are there. Out of that, the first position was object between the pole and focus. So what happens if the object is in between the pole and focus? If concave mirror is there with a principal axis, center of curvature, focus and pole, and the object AB is in between the pole and focus. So as we have already discussed, we need two rays of light, at least two rays of light to show an intersection. At the point of intersection, the image will be forming. So first of all, we'll take first ray of light, light ray 1, let that be AD, which is incident on the concave mirror in such a way that it is parallel to principal axis. So what was according to our first rule? If a ray of light which is parallel to principal axis, after reflection it will pass through focus. Yes, it is passing through focus. So the reflected ray is DF. Incident ray AD and reflected ray DF. Then light ray 2. Second light ray. We have taken second light ray incident to concave mirror in such a way that it would come through the line in which the center of curvature is lying. So what was according to our second rule? It was that if a ray of light is incident on concave mirror in such a way that it is coming from center of curvature, then it will return back in the same path. Yes, it again return back in the same path. So incident ray AE and the reflected ray EC. So we are having here two reflected rays. First is DF and second is EC. These two reflected rays are moving apart from each other as they are moving further. It means that they are never going to intersect. And if they are never going to intersect, then how they are going to create an image? If we look from our perception, we get an illusion that they are diverging from one point A dash. How we can get that point? By projecting these reflected rays in backward direction. So the point at which it seems like they are diverging, at that point only the image is being formed, which is named as A dash B dash. So now, according to the analysis, we can say on projecting it backward, it appears to diverge from a point A dash, where the image A dash B dash appears to be formed. So again, the three analysis of image formed. What are those three analysis? First, the position of image, where the image is behind the mirror. Second, the size of image. How the image is magnified? Yes, it is larger than the object. And third, the nature of image, which is virtual and erect. Why virtual? Because the rays of light, reflected rays, are not intersecting actually. They seems to be diverging from one point. And erect because it is same as the object above the principal axis. So it is erect. These are the three analyses. Now, what are the applications of this position? Where you can see this kind of examples? First example of this kind of image formation is makeup mirror. Where we have seen, yes, makeup mirror. In makeup mirror, we have seen that we need to see our image, which is magnified as well as erect also. That's why in makeup mirror, concave mirrors are used, and we are the object. We keep ourselves in front of that concave mirror in such a position that it lies between pole and the focus. And second example is dentist mirror. You must have noticed, you must have seen this kind of instrument used by dentist. Why they use this thing? They use this mirror to see inside our mouth, to examine our teeth, and for that they need to see a magnified and erect image. That's why the dentist mirror is also a concave mirror, and dentist adjust the position of mirror according to the teeth in such a way that it lies between pole and the focus. So now we have understood about how rays of light travel after reflection from concave mirror. That is the rules of image formation. So what were those rules? Incident ray parallel to principal axis, reflected ray passes through focus. If incident ray passes through center of curvature, reflected ray returns back in the same path. If incident ray passes through focus, reflected ray becomes parallel to principal axis. If incident on the pole making an angle with principal axis, then reflected ray will be making the same angle with the principal axis. We have also discussed today about the first position, which was the object between pole and the focus. So the three analysis of it was position of image behind the mirror. How was the size of image? Magnified, or you can say larger than object. And the nature of image was virtual and erect. We'll understand about 5 more positions in our next videos. But now You can answer these questions. First question is, where should an object be placed in front of the concave mirror so as to obtain its virtual, erect and magnified image? And second question is, which kind of mirror is used as makeup mirror? Why is it used for this purpose? Try to answer these questions. Goodbye and take care.